CellPath, in very simplistic terms, are a cancer diagnostics manufacturer. We've been involved with Welsh Government Smart Innovation Team for many years. Initially, the start of the project was setting up R&D capability within the company. As those products were developed, then the company's needs moved more towards automation. The funding was used to purchase robotic machinery, which helped with our productivity. So we can make a higher quality product, higher specification, and we can make it in a very competitive price compared to low-cost manufacturing regions. The support we received from the SMART scheme was instrumental in purchasing that robot. Without the support of the Welsh Government, we probably wouldn't have been able to buy the robot at the time we did, and we would not have been able to meet the market need at the right time. Our growth was 15% year-on-year growth last year, and it resulted in us employing an extra 15 staff within the company. And so far this year, we've also recruited an extra 4 additional staff.